I found a treasure to last forever, forever. Yeah, you knew that I was off limits. Yeah, you knew that you had to risk it.